All right, turn it off. Let's see. Okay, good. So this is the hydronic system. So pretty much for see the way it's gonna work. So the water they use like from city water comes through the boiler, goes through the radiator, and the fan turns on. So pretty much, see that relay? That's a fan pump relay right there. Replaced that. Then the pump itself inside the electric motor was bad, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. Was that? Do you need any water? Oh, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If I needed to, I'll ask it. Yeah, I'll. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the offer.
We also have cookies.
Oh, cookies! Wow, cookies. When I die, after that. Yeah, thank you. So what it is? Actually, this. Yeah, that's the economical way. They don't use gas, no refrigeration at all. Pretty much H2O, the water itself. See the way it circulates through the radiator and the fan comes on. Yeah, it's a pretty basic system. And you see the valves right here. That's for hot and cold, and they come from bottom from the boiler. Yeah, this is it, and that's the thermostat for the heat. Okay, come on. Yeah, they have just the basic stuff here. Anyway, that's pretty much it.